Yes. So today I would love to hear from each one of you. But for the first 15 minutes, let's complete up the whole exercise. What are the good things that happened yesterday? Take a page and write down what are the good things that happened yesterday. Maybe you met someone, maybe you heard something good about yourself, you spent good time with your family, at your work you did well, you exercised, you met somebody. What are the good things that happened yesterday? Come on. I'll give you 5 minutes. What are the good things that happened yesterday? Find out 10 things.
Thank you for this magic to-do list. Thank you for this bird. Thank you for this morning. Thank you for this breath. Thank you for this body. Thank you for this day. Thank you for my family. Thank you for my work. Thank you for
All right. Great. All of you found something to be really wow. Many good things happened yesterday, right? Got few things on the paper. Every single day, this should be your practice. So this should not leave you. And the magic rock practice, right? That should be your every single day practice. Okay.
Manisha, I
Yes.
have something to share.
Sangeeta.
Yes.
Yes, Sangeeta.
Yesterday I was at Govind Dev Ji temple when I held this session. When you held this
To
session.
share? There is something good to share?
Yes, yes, yes.
For 5 minutes, I will hear it properly.
Yes.
Okay.
And the last thing, actually, I want to share it in Hindi. It will be more like magical.
एकदम बस 5 minute I will finish up and then
Right.
I want to hear from
All
each
right.
one of you only. Okay, let me
All
finish.
right. All right.
I want
All
to
right.
hear only today because मैं छोड़ूंगी नहीं बिना सुने. All right. That's the thing about magic. You have got to know it's still there, or it just stays invisible to you. If you don't know, if you don't believe about that it's there, it will just remain invisible to you. It's there, but it will be like Mr. India. You can't see. Correct. And when you really believe, you are able to see magic everywhere. Magic, magic, magic. Yeah, be magic. Yeah, be magic. Yeah, be magic. So small things you will keep seeing magic around, right? Now, how many of you look in the mirror? कितने बार देखते हो खुद को? Right? 1, 2, 3, many times, right? Now I'm going to convert your mirror into magic mirror. So every time you're looking yourself in the mirror, you're going to say thank you and 3 things you are really grateful to yourself. Thank you. I'm so grateful that I woke up today. I'm so grateful that I'm so disciplined with my children. I'm so grateful that I do all the household work so beautifully. I'm so grateful. You have to speak 3 things about you that you are really grateful every single time you're seeing the mirror. So your mirror is not a mirror. Your mirror is a magical mirror. And more you can do that, more you will fall in love with yourself. And more you fall in love with yourself, everybody else fall in love with you. That's the magic. Correct? So fall in love more. So every time you're going to see in the mirror, can we do this now? So go look in the mirror and say, thank you for so much. Thank you for always standing by my side. Thank you for never giving up when the scenarios were up, down. Thank you for really being strong throughout this while. Thank you for going through all this with a smile. Whatever you want to say. And at the end, say, thank you. Thank you. You can also give I to do this. I really love you. Bas. I just really love you. We can say that, right? We are waiting for other people to say it. Why? Why not you? You be the first person to really cheer yourself up, right? Okay. Last thing. Choose one mistake that you made in your life. We all make mistakes, right? And we spend our entire life in guilt and regret. So choose any one mistake that you made in your life. This is our last exercise. Choose any one mistake you made in your life. And find 10 blessings from that what you learned from that mistake, because that mistake came in your life to teach you something. So what did you learn from that mistake? So find any one mistake and then just write, as a result of making that mistake, I learned this. As a result of making that mistake, I understood this. As a result of making that mistake, I understood this about myself. This about people, this about situation, this about thing. I found out something inside of me that, oh my God, I am so strong. I never knew that. As a result of making that mistake, I understood who is mine and who is not. As a result of my mistake. So all of things. So all the blessings I would love you to see in that mistake. In that mistake, it could have gone very, very wrong. But it just went little bit, right? So yesterday there was, my husband was coming and there was an accident where the side mirror was completely taken away and the side part of the car was damaged. What are the blessings there? First, he's safe. Second, only one side is damaged. Third, he's completely perfect and fine. Fourth, he was very near to the place where it could have been repaired, so it was very close to that. what was more what was more, there were people around to support him and help him. Fifth, it was not his mistake, it was the other person's mistake, so people came around to beat him, but he was like, leave him. So at least it was not his mistake, so nobody was against him. What is the next blessing? It could have gone very, very wrong, because there was a tree right after that, so it could have gone there. So thank God he's alive, he's fine, he's perfect. So like that, I would love you to find out the blessings in disguise. So things have happened wrong. From there, what can you look for that has gone right? All of you understood the exercise? Find what is good that you can see, and more good will keep happening. Let's do it. So I'll give you 5 minutes, 3 minutes. If not 10, find 5 blessings that you are grateful for as a result of making that mistake. Any mistake in life. Is there anybody who has not made any mistake in life? All of us, right? We make mistake. So let's do that. Let's be grateful for the mistakes. Let's be grateful for the scene which is not that good. So either mistake or scene which was not that beautiful.
Holding on to anger is like holding a burning coal. You are the one who gets burned. So today, I choose gratitude. Today's magic to do. Thank you for this morning. Thank you for this breath. Thank you for this body. Thank you for this day. Thank you for my family. Thank you for my work. Thank you for my ideas. Thank you that I serve. Thank you for the money. Thank you for the calls. Thank you for the coins. Thank you for it all. Thank you, thank you. Everything is going right. Thank you. Miracles are in my sight. Thank you, thank you. Even before I see. Thank you. Great news is coming to me. Thank you for the first time I felt so strong and proud. Thank you for that moment when life said yes out loud. Thank you for the second time when love was all around. Thank you for that victory when I was heaven bound. Thank you for the third time.
All right. Well done. Just close your eyes, all of you. Put your hand on your heart, and I would really love you to see yourself in this journey. Who have you become in this journey? Take a moment to really acknowledge and appreciate yourself for who you are now, because you are not the same person. Really take that time to really appreciate yourself for who you have become and all the hard work that you have done. every single day, every single day, every single day of this month on your own self, which is so beautiful and fabulous. Where most of the people are waiting for other people to change, you have decided to rise above that, and hence let all the miracles and magic happen to you. Feel grateful for the moment, for everything that you went through. And then close your eyes and say, thank you, thank you, thank you. Okay, beautiful. Come back. Let me hear each one of you. Yes, Sangeeta. Yes, Sangeeta. Tell me. All of us wants to hear. So I would love to hear in manner before magical, like morning, what is it, and now what it is. So that will be beautiful way to hear it. Okay, tell me.
First of all, I am going to share the experience of yesterday,
Please share.
the magical to-do list.
Yeah.
I had 3 tasks for yesterday. Like पहला कि मैं खाटू श्याम बाबा के दर्शन कर सकूं
Wow.
आराम से,
Wow.
और क्योंकि फागुन का महीना चल रहा है और आज एकादशी भी थी तो बहुत ज्यादा रश होने का और क्राउड होने का
Khatu
चांसेस था.
Shyam is very close to your house.
Actually, I was in Jaipur yesterday just to visit that
Wow.
particular place, Govind Dev Ji temple and Khatu Shyam Baba, Jeen Mata, etc.
Okay.
Because on Monday I have a train to Assam back.
Okay. Okay. Yeah.
तो देयर वाज कि बच्चे के साथ में बहुत टाइम लगेगा, 2-3 घंटे की लाइन है, ये है वो है, एंड यू विल बी लाइक टोटली टायर्ड एंड फ्रस्ट्रेटेड. देन
Right.
आई सेड ठीक है, होगा जो हो जाएगा. एंड एट दैट मोमेंट यू just gave us the task that visualize your to-do list,
Yeah.
that you are completing all your tasks in
Yeah.
a very good manner and everything is going well. And just visualize. I visualized at that time that हाँ मैं खाटू श्याम बाबा के दर्शन कर रही हूँ. Everything is going so perfect and smoothly, and I am just there near Baba, in front of Baba, and without any VIP pass also.
Wow. Wow. Wow.
Because VIP entries are closed
Yeah.
recently.
Yeah.
So, और जब हम वहां गए तो मैं आज से 3 साल पहले भादव के महीने में जब शादी होके आई थी, तब शादी के बाद वहां पे गई थी हस्बैंड के साथ. वहां तब जितनी भीड़ थी कल उतनी भी नहीं थी.
Wow.
Lines were so clear and we went so smoothly. Wow.
Magic.
It was just magical. As I visualized, it was the same.
वहाँ बहुत भीड़ होती है, वहाँ बहुत भीड़ रहती है.
बहुत ज्यादा. और उसके बाद फिर हम लोगों को जीन माता जाना था, तो फिर ऐसा था कि भाई अगर खाटू श्याम जी में इतना टाइम लग गया तो जीन माता नहीं होगा, पर वो भी हो गया, दर्शन हो गया अच्छा से.
Nice. Nice.
That also went well.
Yeah, amazing.
फिर मेरे कोई रिलेटिव के जाना था, वो भी अच्छे से हो गया. सब कुछ माने इतना परफेक्ट हुआ.
Magical to-do list completed. The task. Do it
Yes.
every day. Magical to-do list. Remember, all of you, don't make to-do list. Now you're going to make magical to-do list, right? It's already done. It's done. It's done. It's done. Sab ho gaya. Then if there's anything that you're worrying about, it's done. It's done. It's done. Sab ho gaya. Surrender it to the universe and just enjoy, because you are.
Yes, it is really, it is a like a experience of trust, faith, and surrender.
Beautiful. Love that. Sending you a lot of love, Sangeeta. Thank you for sharing the beautiful experience. All of you loved the experience? Yes. Let's have Shakuntala. Yes, Shakuntala. Hi. Yes.
Hi, Manisha ma'am. Good morning.
Good morning.
Today I'm feeling you're like an angel for me. You're dressed like an angel. I wanted to tell you yesterday. Like I was like, oh, आज angel आई है करके बहुत अच्छा लगा.
Thank you so much.
मेरा first है कि as soon as you wake up, you told us to do thank you. Like every day I was क्या करना है अभी, क्या करूँ मैं, ऐसे थी। अभी तो मैं थैंक यू करके सब प्लान करके सो जाती हूँ मैम। Like I'll make everything prepared in mind. What are the things I need to prepare? What I need to do? And I say thank you before I go to bed. And as soon as I wake up, I say the words thank you, and I get up and I see my daughter and husband besides me, and I say thank you for them too.
And how do you feel?
Then, yeah, as you told, always I'm feeling the food and water, whatever I am consuming, it is like prasada for me now. It's not a food or water anymore. It's like a prasada, which is nourishing my body every
Body.
day.
Right, right.
Yes.
Uh, and yesterday, what I felt, you took my name and you told to give my worries to you, right? The
Right.
earlier version of Shakuntala used to think, how can I give my worries to someone? Yesterday, I didn't think, ma'am. I just gave to you. That's why I felt, oh, yesterday I didn't think a single second. As soon as you told, give your worries, I just was giving my worries to you. Like when I'm feeling worried, or I want someone to love, I think of you. Manisha ma'am is there to hug us, to love us, and she's there to take all our worries. From yesterday, the worry is not in my dictionary.
Hey,
It has been
More
replaced with
blessings to
Manisha ma'am.
Sakuntala.
love that. Love you. So beautiful.
Yeah, thanks a lot, Manisha ma'am.
Most welcome. I love you, love you, love you. Sending you more kiss and more hug.
Yeah,
Always.
thank
I
you.
love it
Thank you,
how the
everyone.
pure tears are actually coming out. Really love the pure people in my room. Mwah. Perfect.
Thanks, everyone, ma'am. Everyone are amazing in our team.
One of
Thank you.
absolutely,
Yeah.
one of you are
Yeah.
amazing, no doubt. Chun chun ke the purest souls are there. I always say
Yeah.
purest soul.
Yeah.
Love that.
Yeah.
Thank you,
Thank you.
Shakira. Love.
Thank you.
Who will come next? Tanu?
Mm.
Yes, Tanu.
Ready, Agarwal.
So, if talking about the experience, it is really very nice experience. As like Shangita mentioned, like I am also following the same thing. Like from past 3 4 days, I am following the magical to-do list. Before that, I used to plan my day at night only, and in morning I'll be very clear. These are the things I have to do, and then like before going to bed, if I'm seeing the list, if I'll keep 9 items also, that too will be completed.
Wow.
वो भी हो जाता है. पहले मुझे लगता था यार पूरे दिन में मैं कर ही क्या रही हूँ, मेरा कुछ काम ही क्यों नहीं हो पा रहा है. एंड नाउ आई एम फीलिंग इतना प्रोडक्टिव डे है. ये भी हो गया, ये भी हो गया, ये भी हो गया. अरे
Oh, so even 9, 10 things are there, it is getting completed
yeah, it is getting complete.
and without stress.
Yeah, and then that also without stress. And then when you told like every time you eat something or drink something, you have to say thank you. And then now I am feeling like water I am drinking, it is a magical water. It is going to do magic in my body. And then food also, and see the glow on my face.
Yes, I can. I can. We all can see. This is a glowing tonic. You can create your magic. This is a glowing tonic that I'm actually drinking. So you don't have to
Yeah.
actually buy that so many like a
Eh,
100 और 2000 और 1000 लोगों की चीजें
हाँ.
खरीदने की जरूरत नहीं है.
और लाइक कुछ दवा भी अगर मैं खा रही हूँ, मतलब मल्टीविटामिन से कुछ भी डॉक्टर ने बोला है, जैसे अभी पोस्ट प्रेगनेंसी कुछ कुछ चीजों की तरह वो दवा भी मुझे लगता है कि ये मेरी बॉडी में जाके कुछ मैजिक कर रहे हैं. जो भी
वेरी
डिफिशियंसी है सब सही हो जाएगा.
वेरी गुड. दैट्स द वे. अदरवाइज हम क्या बोलते हैं, अरे दवाई खानी है.
नहीं, मैं तो उस दवा को भी हाथ में लेके बोल रही हूँ थैंक यू.
Good.
थैंक यू
Good.
फॉर द मैजिक यू आर गोइंग टू डू आफ्टर एंटरिंग इनटू.
Understood the assignment well. Well done.
मुझे इतनी मतलब कभी कभी इतनी हंसी आती है, लेकिन मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है कि सब कुछ बढ़िया काम कर रहे हैं और मेरे अंदर सब कुछ अच्छा अच्छा हो रहा
Good. I'm so loving to see the smile. From crying to smile, I love that transformation. Keep that. Mwah. Love you.
है. और पता है पहले जितना गुस्सा होता था, अभी और हर छोटी बात में गुस्सा आता था. यार इन लोगों ने इतना सामान फैला दिया, रूम फैला हुआ है, इतना गुस्सा. अभी कुछ ऐसा लगता नहीं है. अरे ठीक है, मैं सही कर देती हूँ. ठीक है, अच्छा कुछ हेल्प चाहिए, अच्छा ठीक है मैं कर देती हूँ. मतलब ऐसा लगता है कोई मिलता है अरे अंकल नमस्ते, आंटी नमस्ते, पहले लगता था यार ये क्यों मिल रहे, इनसे क्या बात है?
Love that. Love that. That there is truth in every sentence and every word. Love that. सही बात है. Love that, Tanu. Beautiful.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
It all because of you only. Thank you so much.
Love you. Thank you. Sending you a lot of love, lot of blessings. Everything is going to just go magical from today onwards. Enjoy the magic. Wonderful.
Thank you. Thank you, everyone. Thank you so much. It was a very nice experience. Like I will continue this every day.
Every day, yes. So that is why it should become part of you, right? It should not be be left. Anybody else wants to share something? Or shall we go? Let me. Yes, Harshita. Yes, Harshita.
हाँ मनीषा, एक तो कल मैं अपने अपने फेस को देखती नहीं हूँ मिरर में,
हाँ,
तो कल मैंने देखा, मुझे ग्लो लग रहा था और
वो तो लग ही रहा है.
आई वॉज वेरी हैप्पी। और पता नहीं क्या जादू हो रहा है, मैजिक का तो पता नहीं, बट मेरी डॉटर शी कीप्स ऑन सेइंग आई लव यू मम्मा, आई लव यू मम्मा, पूरे दिन रिपीट करती रहती है। मुझे लगता है मैंने तो सिखाया नहीं, कहाँ से हो रहा है।
Wow, wow. You have stopped? Hello?
और मेरे में एनर्जी भी बहुत पहले से।
Manisha, you're there?
Yes, Harshita. Yes, Harshita. It just stopped actually.
ओके। तो आज सुबह अरुण ने मुझे 5 बजे, यहाँ 5 बज रहे थे, वहाँ 1 बजे रात के, तो
Hmm.
ही सेड मैं सो नहीं पाया, और
Hmm.
सुबह सुबह से बातें कर रहे थे वो।
Yay! I know how important it was for you. Love that. Love that. Oh, everything else is going on well. So I just heard I love you from your daughter and Arun. Anything else you said in between? Did I miss
नहीं,
something? Okay. Love you, Harshita. May more magic continue. Sending more love. Jennifer. Yes, Jennifer.
I just want to thank you, Manisha, because every time everything goes haywire and all, somewhere out of somewhere you come like an angel and you hold my strings and get me back on track.
Love that. Thank you.
So I know that I behave a little, you know me. So,
You are
but
amazing. That is what I know.
because you are amazing, you have shared your energy with me.
Love you.
Thank you so much. Love
Thank you
you.
so much. Love you more. Thank you for trusting me always. Love you. All right. Anybody else wants to share? Who is left? Dr. Jayashree? जल्दी जल्दी एक मिनट सबको
हाँ
सुन.
एक्चुअली मनीष जी को पता है मेरे लाइफ में क्या चल रहा है, और मुझे लग रहा था कि माय मैरिज लाइफ इज एंडेड नाउ, बट yesterday my husband came back to home and I have so many hopes from him कि he came like my original view which I was expecting. So thank you so much.
Wow. Miraculous. Sending more miracles to you, more blessings to you, Dr. Jayashree. Love you.
Thank you.
Sajid, let me hear one line from you also before going. How was the experience for you?
It may not be one line, Manisha. So if
You
you
can
want
speak
one
two lines.
line,
You
it
can
is
speak as many
no.
lines as you want, not one line. Yeah. Tell me.
Okay. If it is one line, it is purely magical. And the most important thing happened to me is this particular session happening on every morning, because I'm surrounded by such high spirits, beautiful souls around me, and sharing their, not just their experience, but their hope, their positivity, their energy.
Right.
I'm eternally grateful for the entire team here, because it's compounding. I mean, you are asking us to be more positive, and you are rewiring our brain. You are using these shifting our mindset. That is happening, and at the very same time, every other beautiful people in this particular session is contributing towards it. So it's a very good community that I feel, and that is the magical thing happens to me every day. And one other thing I started recognizing is that it's not just people around you, but all the objects, all the cells, and all these smallest particle atoms in your body. It's working for you, putting their all effort without even asking for any recognition or anything. Selflessly, they are doing that. And
Right.
you are an embodiment. You are an example of working towards a common goal without even asking for anything.
Correct.
So you can understand that you are the greatest thing, because you are completely surrounded, you are completely immersed with all these little things that is selflessly working. So
Right.
what happened to me is that after that I started personifying every object. For example, this is my pen, and no more I call it pen. It is my wand of destiny. It's my magic wand of destiny.
You.
So I renamed it. Okay, and I renamed it. This is my cup of life, my sangreal. So I started naming my objects, so that I feel more personalized
Connected.
connection,
Yeah.
and I even started calling them he, she, or whatever. It just like, where is my mobile? No, instead of that, I'll call, where is my so and so. So
Wow.
I started naming his object.
These are
So I
beautiful.
felt more connection towards my personal thing. Yeah. So that's what happened to me, and I just wanted to say thank you, not just you, and I'm eternally grateful to you by for many generations. That's absolutely will be there. I'm very thankful for the entire whole crew here, and I'm so grateful for this community, and thank you, each one of you. That's it.
Thank you so
Thank
much
you to you
for
too.
sending those.
Thank you, Sajid.
So true, so true. Each one of you is feeling connected to each other because each one of you has the same soul, right? Same soul, same purity. So we all are connected together, and I can see the purity in each one of you. That's so beautiful. Perfect. Thank you so much, Shadi. Thank you so much. All right. Is there anybody else left? So yes, Kanchan. Yes, Kanchan.
मुझे मतलब अभी ऐसा लग रहा है कि बहुत सारी चीजें हाइड है, कुछ अच्छा होने वाला है, बट अभी ऐसा कुछ मतलब मुझे दिख नहीं रहा है, तो वहां में थोड़ा सा
Yeah.
मतलब विश्वास है कि होगा, अच्छा कुछ आने वाला है,
Yes.
बट अभी मुझे प्रेजेंट में थोड़ा सा मैं
Wait and
मतलब अभी
see.
stuck हूँ। हाँ
Okay.
और मैम कैन आई कॉल यू आफ्टर दिस सेशन और योर कन्वीनियंट टाइम, टेल मी।
Yeah, you can call after the session.
Okay. I will share everything then. I will call you. Okay.
Yes, sure. Sending you a lot of love. Okay. All right. I think we have finished. Nobody's left. Yes. All right. कोई बचा तो नहीं है? कोई बचा है तो बोल दो. All right. Okay. Take care and enjoy this February in gratitude. And next month we are going to come with the new course, with the new thing, new material. All the very best, and we'll see you again. Take care. Sending a lot
Bye,
of love,
everybody.
lot of gratitude
Lots of
for
love.
each one of you. Yeah, a lot of gratitude to each one of you. A lot of blessings to each one of you. May each one shine brighter and look brighter. You are not an ordinary soul. You are extraordinary. People should see that just by looking at you, right? Because this should shine brighter than this. Correct? All right. Take care. Love you all. Bye.
Bye.
Have a
Bye. Thank you.
beautiful
Thank
Love
you,
day.
you.
Manisha
Miss
ma'am. Love
you.
you.
We'll miss each one of
Bye,
you.
Yeah,
everybody.
जल्दी
miss you,
मिलेंगे.
ma'am.
Take care. Bye. Love you. Be in touch. Bye. Bye. Take care.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye. Bye.
Sending lot of love. Come. Let's do a soul hug. भूल गई थी. Let's do a soul hug.
बरोबर यार फोन ते कड़े
Hugging each one of you and sending a lot of love to each one of you. See you. Bye.